Hey everyone, this is Vanessa and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Downy Wrinkle Releaser. This is just a travel size bottle, so it's 3 fluid ounces, so you can take it with you on a plane or, I don't know, just throw it in a bag, and it's nice and travel friendly. So this wrinkle releaser, it says Wrinkle Releaser Plus Odor Eliminator, Fabric Refresher, Static Remover, and Ironing Aid. I really love this stuff. It is a godsend. It saves so much time, so much energy, because instead of ironing, you can just pull this out and spray your clothes basically, and it takes out all of the wrinkles. And it's just like the most genius thing. It also makes my clothes smell really, really good, so sometimes like your clothes won't actually have the smell of your detergent or fabric softener, which is annoying, but this has like a nice light, it says nice light, it doesn't say nice, it says light fresh scent. I think it's nice. So it makes your clothes just smell really clean and really nice. It says it has like a little picture directions on the back, so it says spray, tug and smooth, and hang, and that really is all there is to it. Spray like a little bit. Here, show you. So I'd spray, obviously a little bit more than that, and then you just smooth out just like that. And I kind of, sometimes you want to tug it too to get some of those like deep wrinkles. So you tug and smooth, and then once it's not wrinkled anymore, you just hang it up and let it dry, and that's all there is to it. It smells really, really good. It smells like it just came out of the wash 2 seconds ago. And it says to spray fabric with a sweeping motion until slightly damp. So you do use quite a bit of product, so like a travel size is going to be good just for like when you're going to go on like a short vacation or something, if you're going to use it on every piece of clothing. Because it's not going to last too long, because you do want to get your whole garment a little bit damp. It says that it's safe virtually all fabrics. Some fabrics like silk and rayon, you might want to do like a little test in like an area that you can't really see, just to make sure that it's like not going to get like a water spot or something like that. It doesn't have very many ingredients, which is cool. The less ingredients, I feel like the better it is. Fiber relaxers, water, quality control agents, and perfume. Of course, we don't know what those quality control agents are, but here's what it is. It does have like a little warning on there. Use only as intended. Keep out of reach of children. Do not spray directly towards face. If eye contact occurs, rinse well with water. It's just like your typical warnings on things. It has a phone number for questions and a website to go to, which a website will probably give you like some more detailed information on how to use it to make sure that you get the best value out of your product. This, like I said, this is a travel size, so they do have some that are bigger that I don't have on hand, but I wish I did. I need to get some. So just for comparison, this is like the size. This is a coffee mug, so you can see next, without the coffee mug comparison, it looks like it's a lot bigger than it probably is. Well, maybe not, because it's in my hand. Yeah, and it does come with a lid, the little cap, so that's always nice. Mine is like almost empty because I've used so much of it, because I usually just do this instead of ironing. And even if like, you know, like sometimes I will just throw stuff in the dryer, honestly, because I'm too lazy to iron. But sometimes the iron doesn't really work, or the dryer doesn't really work out too well if it's like got really stubborn wrinkles is what I was trying to think of a little earlier. If it's got really stubborn wrinkles, so even if you like get it a little damp with your wrinkle releaser and then throw it in the dryer, as long as you take it out as soon as the dryer stops and you don't let it sit, you're not going to have a single wrinkle. Like, it's amazing. This is like honestly one of the best inventions. This bottle came with a coupon, which probably expired now. I don't know. But yeah, this is just such a great product, and I love that they made it in travel size too, because I think that that's when most I use it on like a regular basis, whether I'm traveling or not, but most people probably use it only when they're traveling. So it was like really smart of this company to come out with a travel size, because the other size it's pretty big. I'd say it's like like a bathroom cleaner or like a Lysol cleaner, like spray bottles type of stuff. It's probably the size of like one of those, so it's pretty big, it's pretty bulky, so you definitely can't like just travel with it. You can't put it in like a carry-on. You would have to put it in your checked luggage, and it's like gonna take up quite a bit of room in your suitcase or your duffel bag or whatever. So yeah, this is like a genius product that I would recommend to anyone. It'll save you time, and it'll save you energy, and it'll save you from having to take out iron and the ironing board and plug it in. Like, it's just way less work, much easier to use this product. I would definitely recommend having a trial size and like the regular size on hand. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks.